Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can turn on professional mode, also known as Pro mode on Facebook. To do this, first open your Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on profile icon. Now before you can enable professional mode, you may need to unlock your profile if it is currently locked. So first, let's unlock the profile. Tap on the three dot icon below your profile picture. Now tap on unlock profile. Now tap on the unlock option. Tap on unlock your profile. Once your profile has been unlocked successfully, now tap on the three dot icon again and this time tap on turn on professional mode or pro mode. Now tap on upgrade your profile. Now select your audience settings. I recommended choosing public so more people can discover your content. After that, tap on next. Then tap on confirm. Now choose your profile category. I am selecting digital creator. Tap on next. Now tap on go to your dashboard. From here you will be able to see your profile progress and more professional tools. Now simply go back to your profile. And now you can see that professional mode or pro mode has been turned on successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.